mobile merchandise rail on wheels. First off, the overall dimensions. Left to right, we have a length of 47.25 inches, a depth of 30 inches, and a height with wheels, we have 6.75 inches, minus the wheels, 1.5 inches. And for the height of the caster wheels, we have 4 inches. The distance between each individual rail, we have 13.5 inches by 26.75 inches in depth. Included are 6 corner brackets, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, 1 each on the left and right side. Corner brackets located on each corner, along with holding braces to hold each individual rail, 2 in the front, 2 in the back. Each rail can be cut down to size, whether if it's the length or the depth. We have our ice cream dipping cabinets on top of a rail. Coming below, we have our brackets holding the freezer, along with the corner braces on each end. Again, we have our bracket holding the chest freezer in the front and back, along with the corner brackets. For all questions, give us a call or visit our website coolerdepotUSA.com for more information on this product.